Are you a language tutor or content creator with tons of lessons, but no app to reach your audience? What if you could turn your language tutorials, practice exercises, and learning resources into a sleek mobile app in just a few hours without writing a single line of code? Let's show you how we built this fully functional language learning app using Stitch by Google, Bravo Studio, and a few powerful integrations. We prompted Stitch to generate a clean, modern design for a language learning app. It includes a welcome screen, a login page, a video lesson library, and a featured section for vocabulary practice, quizzes, and conversation challenges. Once the design felt right, we exported it to Figma. Here, we made visual tweaks, refined typography, adjusted layouts, and applied a bright, engaging color palette that makes learning feel fun and motivating. Using the Bravo Studio Figma plugin, we applied Bravo tags to key screens like the login page. This tells Bravo exactly how to transform those screens into real, working app functionality. We then connected the screens using Figma prototyping to map out the full user journey, from onboarding to taking lessons and practicing new skills. We also created a custom app icon to give the app a polished, professional presence on users' devices. Now it's time to bring the design to life inside Bravo Studio. Bravo instantly converts your Figma file into a real iOS and Android mobile app. No code, just copy, paste, and go. You can preview your app immediately using the Bravo Vision app. To deliver your video lessons and practice modules, we embedded a custom video player using Bravo's Web View tag. This player connects to your hosted videos or YouTube Vimeo content, so your learners can watch, practice, and improve directly inside the app. Next, we set up secure login using Kinde, integrated via Bravo's external OAuth snippet and a Xano backend. This ensures that only authenticated or paying users can access your premium learning content. We used Bravo's Xano snippet to manage user accounts, saved progress, vocabulary trackers, and quiz results, without writing a single line of back-end code. Want to monetize your app? Add RevenueCat or Kinde billing, and you're ready to offer subscriptions, premium lessons, or exclusive language programs. And that's it. In just a few steps, we built a fully functional language learning app with no code, ready to grow your brand, engage your students, and turn your teaching expertise into a mobile experience. Whether you're a language coach, tutor, or education content creator, Bravo Studio is the fastest way to bring your lessons to mobile. Enjoy building with Bravo Studio,